This video is sponsored by Granite Studio, RKTF University.
Good morning, I'm Vidusha Agarwal and you're watching News Flash. Today is the 22nd of April and we have a lineup of crucial stories touching every corner of the globe, from the latest developments in politics to groundbreaking advancements in technology. Iran's President Ibrahim Raisi will visit Islamabad today to meet with Pakistani President Asif Ali Zardari, aiming to rebuild relations after recent deadly cross-border strikes per Pakistan's foreign ministry. Over 1,000 people were evacuated after experts defused a device left behind from the NATO bombing of southern Serbia in 1999, officials reported. One person was killed and 3 others were injured in a blast in Afghanistan's capital, Kabul, on Saturday evening, said Afghan police. The terrorist group ISIS claimed responsibility for the attack. Authorities have increased disaster preparations in response to heavy rains, and state media said on Sunday that severe floods seen around once a century are predicted to devastate portions of southern China. The man who died after setting himself on fire outside the Manhattan courthouse, where former US President Donald Trump's hush money trial was taking place, once worked for a Democrat congressman. 2 Palestinian teenagers were shot and killed by Israeli soldiers in the occupied West Bank. The army acknowledged that it had neutralized 2 assailants who had opened fire on soldiers on Sunday, according to Palestinian Ministry of Health. As cyber warfare between China and the United States intensifies, Chinese President Xi Jinping ordered what is being touted as the biggest reorganization of the nation's military since 2015. As Sri Lanka honored the 279 victims of its worst ever assault against civilians 5 years ago, the UN called on to the nation to fix its accountability deficit and provide justice. Amid the brewing tensions in the Middle East, reports are emerging that Israel is planning to summon all the ambassadors of the countries that voted in favor of granting full UN membership to Palestine. In the Maldives, voters turned out in large numbers for a legislative election crucial for determining the country's direction, particularly regarding its relationship with India and China. As the United States readied to sanction billions in military aid to Israel, the country launched attacks on the southern Gaza city of Rafah overnight, resulting in the deaths of 13 individuals, including 9 children. After a thorough medical examination, doctors have given a clean chit to Bushra Bibi, the wife of the jailed former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan. Israel voiced condemnation as reports surfaced of planned US sanctions against certain units of the Israel Defense Forces for alleged human rights violation during the Israel-Hamas conflict. It's time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
ये सब आपके रिश्तेदार हैं?
बिजनेस पार्टनर है जी। ये दीदी बंगाल में बिजनेस संभालती हैं, वो चाचा बिहार में, ये यूपी में, ये मुंबई में और ये चेन्नई में, और इन्होंने हाल ही में खोली है दुकान दिल्ली में। पूरे देश में बिजनेस फैला है जी, सब कमाते हैं और मेरी बात तो खाते हैं।
ये इंडियन चीज है, चाइनीज नहीं।
दूल्हे तो आप ही हो ना?
और कौन होगा जी? देखिए, दादी का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, सरनेम है, दौलत है, शोहरत है, इज्जत है, मतलब मिल जाएगी शादी के बाद जी।
हेलो, दूल्हा कौन होगा ये डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है अब तक। दूल्हा हम बनेंगे, इज्जत की कोई कमी नहीं है।
ए भाई, तुम तो रहने ही दो, हमारी दुकान इनसे काफी बड़ी है। दूल्हा तो हम ही बनेंगे, है ना पापा? पापा, पापा।
सब बुर्बक, इसको तो हम बिहार में दूल्हा बना देंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे दूल्हा हम ही बनेंगे।
ओ काका, सारी शादियाँ क्या आपके ही घर में होगी क्या? और हम क्या यहाँ यूं ही दुकान खोल के बैठे हैं क्या?
ओ भाई, पिछली बार भी किसी दूसरे की बारात में दूल्हा बन गए थे आप। इस बार आपकी दुकान भी आपके नाम से नहीं है।
अरे रुको 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 रुको, इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे।
ओ दादा, दूल्हा तो इनके मैनेजर ही बनेगी।
हाँ, दूल्हा तो छोटे बाबा ही बनेंगे।
Yeah, he's absolutely right.
1 second. Why not me?
वही बोल रहा हूँ, हम क्यों नहीं बन सकते?
ये दूल्हा नहीं, दूल्हा हम बनेंगे।
आणि माझं काय? मैं बनूंगा दूल्हा।
अरे दूल्हा मैं बनूंगा।
घर का टेंशन मत लो अंकल, शादी के बाद तो घर हमारा ही होगा ना।
आपको लगता है ये अपने बीच दूल्हा चुन सकते हैं? तो प्रधानमंत्री कैसे चुनेंगे? खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार। अब की बार 400 पार।
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
The ministry offices in Luton's Delhi, Hotel Janpath, as well as airport terminals. Granite Studio India, with its prestigious brands, rich experience, and the trust of our clients, can be your reliable partner. We are here for you, for innovating, processing, supplying, and executing in stone. Contact us today for our special sample kit.
PM Modi has said that Christians in Kerala have become fed up with the lies of both the Congress-led United Democratic Front and the CPIM-led Left Democratic Front in the state. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had stopped taking insulin months before his arrest and is on a basic anti-diabetes oral medicine, the Tihar Jail administration said in a report submitted to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. After a quarantine organism was found in the rice consignment, Russia has threatened to restrict rice imports from Pakistan once more if its phytosanitary concerns are not met in next consignments. Russia had said that the latest US aid for Ukraine showed that Washington was wading much deeper into a war against Moscow that would end in a fiasco akin to the conflicts in Vietnam and Afghanistan. As many as 73 trains on the Ambala-Amritsar route were cancelled on Sunday as farmers continue to squat on tracks at the Shambhu railway station in Punjab's Patiala district for the 5th day, officials said. Security forces uncovered a terrorist hideout in a village in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district on Sunday, seizing 8 improvised explosive devices, 2 wireless sets and ammunition, according to officials. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the country is punishing the Congress for its sins and the party that had once won 400 seats is unable to contest 300 seats in this Lok Sabha election. A Doordarshan anchor fainted on air while live reporting heat wave updates in West Bengal. Anchor Lopamudra Sinha, stationed at the Kolkata branch of Doordarshan, shared a story on Facebook. BJP National President JP Nadda said that the father of the Hubballi murder victim is demanding a CBI probe into the case which has gripped the Congress-ruled Karnataka. The Himachal Pradesh BJP filed a complaint against the Congress and the Hamirpur Youth Congress Club for allegedly depicting BJP Lok Sabha candidate from Mandi, Kangana Ranaut, negatively by using images from her films. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a veiled jab at Sonia Gandhi, suggesting those who can't win elections opt for the Rajya Sabha. Speaking in Rajasthan's Jalore, he highlighted the Congress's decline from winning 400 seats to being unable to contest 300 in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The Employees Provident Fund organization, also called EPFO, has increased the eligibility threshold for automatic claim settlements under paragraph 68J. This change aims to enhance auto claims processing efficiency in line with EPFO's recent circular. Intel appointed Santosh Vishwanathan as Managing Director for its India region business, following its decision in March to establish India as a separate region within its SMG organization. Israel State Attorney indicted the sister of Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh on charges of incitement and showing solidarity with a terror group. She allegedly praised Hamas's October 7 attack that sparked the 6-month-old war in Gaza. A significant fire erupted at the Ghazipur landfill site in East Delhi on Sunday evening, according to officials. The Delhi Fire Services deployed 2 fire tenders to combat the blaze, with efforts underway to extinguish it. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath slammed the Congress, branding it synonymous with scams, terrorism and Naxalism. Speaking at a rally in Chhattisgarh, he credited PM Modi for ending the 500-year wait for Ram Lala's idol installation in Ayodhya. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.